Kids, this one's for you. So we're still in the holidays, so Kidstream is only happening on Sundays at 10 a.m. But do not fear, because we are going to be back with our usual times of Fridays at 6:30 and Sundays at 10 a.m. from Friday the 23rd of April with our brand new theme. It's going to be a theme of Around the World in 80-ish days. So make sure you join us for that. Young people, we have got some cool activities happening over the Easter holidays. So now that the restrictions are easing a little bit, we're allowed up to around 15 to 20 people allowed in a group in an organised activity. So we're going to be doing some sports in the park with a picnic as well. So you can join us over the next 2 Tuesdays at Hickman Park from 12 till 3 p.m. So meet us there, guys, and we'll have some fun. And you can also join us on Fridays at the park as well, where we'll have some games and a picnic as well, and that's from 12 p.m. as well. So make sure you join us on Tuesdays and Fridays from 12 p.m. at Hickman Park. Our website has had a revamp and it is looking cool and fresh. So it's the same place, guys, xlchurch.org.uk, but go and have a look over there to find out what's going on at church and enjoy the new layout. Ladies, this one's for you. The Devoted Conference is going to be happening and it's going to be here in the building. No screens, it's going to be happening. So we've got to save the date for you. So get this date in your diary. It's going to be happening Saturday, the 2nd of October. So more details will follow as the weeks go by, but for now, get that date in your diaries and we'll hopefully see you there. So we've got another Alpha course happening online at the end of May. So if you would like to sign up for one, or you know someone who might be interested in exploring the big questions of life and some big questions about God, then get in touch, invite them along and sign up online. Don't forget, you can join us for prayer and Bible study this Wednesday at 7:30, so make sure you join us, guys. That's all for XL News. If you'd like any more information, head to our website or get us on social media. Have a great week, guys.